Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your Mac can handle animated backgrounds, check system version, and free disk space. Next, pick your media: a short MP4 video, a live photo exported as MOV, or a high-quality GIF. If Mac OS lacks native support for your format, install a trusted app, one that foregrounds privacy and performance. Once installed, grant screen and folder permissions so the app can access files. This prevents playback errors and ensures the wallpaper will run smoothly without unexpected permission prompts. You now import the file into the Wallpaper tool and review playback settings. Choose continuous loop for seamless motion, mute audio to avoid interruptions, and enable launch at login so your wallpaper returns after reboot. Make sure to select a performance or battery-saving profile depending on laptop use. This trades frame rate for power. Next, adjust scale and crop so the subject fits your screen. On multi-monitor setups, assign the file per display. Save the configuration. This makes the choice persistent and reproducible. You finish by applying the wallpaper and verifying smooth playback at the correct refresh rate. Full motion should be visible without stutter. Then reboot or log out and back in to confirm the setting persists. If the wallpaper fails to start, make sure the app has full disk and screen recording permissions. Also check for app updates or re-export the source in a compatible format like H.264 MP4. If performance suffers, lower resolution or enable battery mode. These fixes resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.